Hi guys, today this is your activity you're going to be doing. It's probability with M&Ms. So this is the picture that you're going to use for questions 1 through 9. So to do this as an example, you'll figure out how many total M&Ms there are, and then you'll answer these questions. So it says, using the picture, what's the probability of selecting a blue M&M? Okay, well I know I have 3 blue M&Ms. Okay, out of, and there's 12 total in the picture. So 12 would be my total. Okay, and then I'm going to reduce that. So those are both divisible by 3, so I'll divide by 3, and on both, that's going to be 1 over 4. So the probability of selecting a blue M&M would be 1 out of 4. So that's how you'll do these here at the top. Okay. Then if we come down to this question here, number 9 says, what's the probability that you selected blue or red? So or means you add your blues with your reds, okay, and put it over your total. Okay, down here, this is what we call experimental probability. So I put all of the M&Ms in a bag and I began drawing all of the M&Ms and recording my results. So I drew the M&Ms 20 times and all of my results are here. Okay, so it says, what is the experimental probability of selecting a red M&M? Well, I would look and I picked red 1, 2, 3, 4 times out of my 20 draws. Okay, and then 4 over 20 would need simplified. Both those are divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 over 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the experimental part, you use this table here, okay? Then if we come down to this next section, it says use the experimental probability from the table, predict how many red M&Ms you would have if you have 50 total M&Ms. So in order to solve these, we have to set up a proportion. So you would draw your proportion box, okay? And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red M&Ms out of 20. So this was when I ran the experiments. This would be our part. This is our total, and our new total is 50. So 50 is going to go next to the 20. Okay, I can cross this 0 with this 0. Okay, and then I'm going to cross multiply. So 4 times 5 is 20 over 2, or divided by 2 would be 10. So I could predict that out of 50 M&Ms, I would have 10 reds. Okay, so for all of these where you see predict, you need to set up a proportion, part and total. Your experiment goes here and your new total goes here. And that's all you need to do on those, is to use the proportion. Okay, so that is how you will do the remainder of the questions on this form. So remember that from the table down, you use the table as your information. From the table up, you use your theoretical probability, which is just using the picture of what should happen when you select your M&Ms. Okay, and this is what happened when we actually selected M&Ms 20 different times. This is your only assignment for today. Once you're done with your work for today.